The era of flashy skyscrapers is dead. The new elite seek absolute quiet returns underground.
The 1910 system finalizes its grid, trapping humanity. The ultimate goal of the 80-year reset is to finally break the cycle entirely.
To build an inescapable automated grid where physical real estate and digital control perfectly merge.
The final target of capital isn't money. It is the complete and total architecture of being.
To dictate where you live, what you consume, and exactly how you survive the reset.
The invisible clock has run completely out. The architecture of capital is absolutely finalized.
Are you safely inside the fortress, or are you completely locked out? The final target of capital isn't money. It is the complete and total architecture of being. The ultimate resource of the 21st century isn't gold. It isn't even data. It's human consciousness. The architecture of capital has evolved. Its final purpose is to harvest the literal spark within you. In the 1800s, ruthless monopolies built physical company towns to permanently trap the working class in debt. Today, the trillion-dollar tech empires are building the exact same thing, just with significantly better public relations.
They build sprawlers, silicon food designed to keep the world's top tech talent entirely captive.
The elites of 1910 strictly controlled the money supply. The elites of today control the dopamine supply.
Free food, nap pods, and endless entertainment. It is a velvet prison engineered to extract your time.
They want to break Samuel Benner's cycle by creating an entirely closed, self-sustaining corporate ecosystem. An architecture where the human mind is nothing more than a battery, a continuous digital pulse feeding the machine. Welcome to the Silicon Monuments, where your actual life is the ultimate financial product. In the 18th century, the financial elite passed laws to permanently fence off public land. Today, the exact same enclosure is happening, but they aren't fencing off physical Earth. They are fencing off the human mind, building an inescapable, invisible digital enclosure. The ultimate target of this new financial architecture is your underlying human purpose. They seek to completely control, monetize, and strip mine the very architecture of being. The system is perfectly engineered to commodify, suppress, and extract the spark within you. Samuel Benner's cycle of panic isn't just about crashing markets, it is about mass psychological exhaustion. In the automated AI age, true wealth is simply the ability to disconnect, to own your own time. The architects of 1910 wanted your labor. The architects of today demand your total consciousness. But what happens to the financial machine when the human battery suddenly decides to unplug?
You cannot algorithmically predict the human soul. The ultimate rebellion is simply finding your purpose.
The system feeds on panic and endless noise. True freedom is the pursuit of quiet returns.
Ancient wisdom holds a power that no predictive AI model or 1910 banking ledger can ever calculate. We need a radically new blueprint for navigating a world where machines do the labor.
An AI age ikigai, a career and life built entirely outside the volatile 80-year debt trap.
When your architecture of being is structurally sound, the architecture of capital loses all its leverage.
The men who engineered this matrix relied entirely on your blind, desperate participation. But the spark within you cannot be fractionalized. It cannot be traded on an exchange. The 80-year cycle is crashing, but for the first time in history, you have the power to walk away. The architecture of panic is finally collapsing. It is time to build something real. The invisible clock has struck zero. The 80-year cycle of capital is completely maxed out.